Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to fill the cells after the Uninstall application in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. As you see, when we have Uninstall any of application from here, let's take a see. Yep, it fills empty cells. If you don't like this option, go to settings, go to home screen, then scroll down and there is an option fill cells of Uninstall apps. If you disable it, and now when you uninstall some of the application, for example, let's take a C Game Center if you can. No, we can't. Uninstall it. App Mail? No. My browser? No. There is any application we can install? Maybe YouTube? No, we can't. Anyway, you need to know that now if you uninstall any of that, it will not fill the empty space. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.